Corrosion is industry's greatest invisible killer. Every instance of rust means costly downtime and financial loss. And inefficient protection. JAS-LGC Nano Liquid Glass, the ultimate barrier for extreme environments. Corrosion starts with moisture and oxygen. JAS-LGC blocks intrusion and extends service life. Applied over paint, JAS-LGC blocks moisture and delivers ultimate long-lasting 4+1 protection. As a transparent outer barrier, JAS-LGC blocks UV and acid rain, preventing chalking and fading. Superhydrophobic and self-cleaning. Less dirt, less cleaning, lower costs. Proven high performance, verified by national standard tests for long-term chemical resistance and exceptional salt spray durability.
In the ASTM
For all metals, from electronic moisture protection to stainless steel anti-fingerprint, long-lasting protection. For all metals, from electronic moisture protection to stainless steel anti-fingerprint, long-lasting protection. A critical defense for steel structures, blocking chlorides and industrial acids beyond conventional coatings. For marine and offshore engineering, JAS-LGC resists fouling and adhesion, reducing drag and fuel consumption. JAS's expert team delivers advanced nano anti-corrosion solutions for your critical assets. Contact us today to protect your critical assets with JAS nanotechnology.